Alright, here's a problem. It says Tina charges $25 a day to dog sit. Write the function used to calculate the total charge for D days of dog sitting. And also, what would she charge for a week? Well, we need our function first. I'm pretty sure most people can do this in their head. But let's see here. We're going to do a cost, and we're going to do it C of D, because we said we wanted it to calculate the number of days. Calculate using the number of days. So our function will be C of D. So cost for however many days. There's no initial fee here, so in the idea of mx plus b, there's no b. But there is the rate, which is $25 per day. So that's more or less our slope or our rate. So our function will be C of D equals 25D. And then when we ask what will she charge for a week, well, we know a week is 7 days, right? So C of 7 would be 25 times 7, which I'm guessing is 175, but let me try my calculator before I look silly. Yes, $175 is what she would charge to dog sit for an entire week on this scenario.